Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 30th of July. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. We are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs. Check out their offices in Danvers, Concord, Needham, as well as on Cape Cod. So what do we got going on? We've got this low pressure area which swung on through southern Vermont yesterday, now moving through New England. It will continue to spin and pull up some showers and maybe the rumble of thunder here the first half of the day. Not going to surprise me if some of you see some downpours. Other areas just not seeing much rain at all. You know, yesterday we got the downpours, then you'd get a break, then you'd get another downpour. Most of the heaviest rain was definitely off to the west. So, you know, the Hudson Valley of New York, a lot of rain out there. Berkshire's, quite a bit of rain there. Even into the greater Worcester area, a lot of rain in the Pioneer Valley as well. But the jackpot definitely out through the Albany area. Down through the Hudson Valley, parts of New Jersey as well. Some areas seeing anywhere from 6 to 10 plus inches of rain. We have not had that kind of rainfall, but we have had a bit. Now, I looked at the total rainfall for June and July, which is the 2 months of meteorological summer that we've had so far. Now, the final numbers aren't in, but we've had 4.89 inches of rain for those 2 months. The wettest 2 months ever was 1982, 17 inches of rain. An incredibly wet year that year. I remember working at overnight camp, and it was just raining all the time. But the 5 inches of rain we've had is kind of in the middle of the pack. So, yes, we're drier than average sort of longer term, but in terms of the summer, we're actually okay. We're not exceedingly dry, and I think it's one of the reasons why, you know, I haven't put the irrigation on, and my lawn looks pretty good. I've watered some stuff, but we're just not as dry as we definitely could be, and you know, we'll have to see how much more rain we get today, add that in, and then there may be some more showers, you know, of course, in August. We'll see how we do, but it's definitely not going to end up as like some super dry summer, that's for sure. So temperatures today up near 70. It's fairly cool. Tonight we're down near 60. Continuation of a shower. Then tomorrow, becoming partly sunny. It'll take a little while. Temperatures will be approaching 80. And right now, Saturday and Sunday for the Pan Mass Challenge looks pretty nice. Partly to mostly sunny. 80 to 85. I don't see any risk of shower activity. Have a great morning, everybody.